Busy inside, full loaded with customers. It's good to see restaurants that are so busy like this. September's super busy. Men's, ladies, how are you? Many more. Spiced chocolate aroma. Nice. Oh, this one's nice here. With the peak here. Look at those. Wow. Into the restaurant. I've had to put my name sandals here. Unique bowls, cups here. Beautiful, unique shirt, that one. Wow. Oh, here's the architects. Okay, so here's the start point of tonight's video. This is a very big bridge crossing, or busy big bridge crossing across the river. The little lantern boats here that go out, so I've featured that side of the street. In tonight's video I'm going to be heading across along this section of street. See how busy it is. So we've come across from the bridge, off the bridge there. We're going to head along here. See, this is leading along the river path. I shall be eating in a restaurant in that one later. You can see how busy it is on the street. Some kind of performance or show or something on here. Show what's going on there. Let's walk along. People in there watching whatever that is. Now we're going to start coming to the restaurants. These beautiful historical buildings here. A couple of girls in there. A nice little table. Lots of people on the street. One here, beautiful lanterns again. People just looking at the menu. Some of the Vietnam hats here. Some stuff in there. Chewing coffee. It's very difficult filming here because of the amount of people on the street. Some leather goods here. Nice. And the belts also. Tourists there. Wow, this one's nice here. With the peacock on the hat there. Some really nice ones there. Minang silk. Custom tailor here. Hey. Ladies and men's dresses and clothes. Local art and gifts. Very nice. And now we're coming up to the restaurants. This is called Tan Tan Caf. Very busy in there at Tan Tan Caf. Busy inside, busy outside. So maybe have an upstairs seating area as well. Another one here. Nam Hang something, whatever it's called. And busy outside, busy inside. Full loaded with customers. It's good to see restaurants that are so busy like this. Tan Tan Caf. Another one here. This is a vegan restaurant. Lots of customers in there as well. Lots outside, lots inside. A place called Art Book here. Just look at the amount of customers. Super busy. Very nice, beautiful looking restaurants. I've actually got a queue of people waiting to be seated and get into the restaurant. I've had to put my name down and wait 1 hour for the restaurant I want to go to this evening. Some ceramic things here. Teapots. Wow. All the street cleaners coming down the street. Beautiful buildings though. Some nice handbags here. Look at those, wow. Engrave your name on things there. Another restaurant here, again, very, very busy, full with customers. Hoi Cafe, that one's called. Super busy again there. Hang Suk 2, another place again, full with customers there. Wow. Ladies and men's suits and things here, ladies' dresses. Another restaurant there. That one's not so busy there. It's got a few customers, but not as busy as some of the other ones. Very busy in the shops as well here. Wow. Some very nice stuff here as well for ladies. And many more stuff inside there. Making lantern glass.
Then we went out.
Another custom tailors there. Trunk coffee here. Spiced chocolate, aroma oils, soap, shampoo, incense. Lots of stuff inside of there. Look at these beautiful lanterns. Clothes and things here. And little t-shirts for the kids. And for the kids, Vietnam. Men's, ladies. How are you? She has the love for the camera. Max Coffee here. What's inside of there as well? Customers just going in. Customers in the back there. Vietnam coffee. I don't know if that's any good or not. I'm not a coffee drinker. The leather tailor shop here. Some nice sandals here. Big collections of ladies' handbags, leather jackets. Lots of stuff in there. People just at the front here again. Another restaurant here. This one's not too busy neither. All the lanterns coming down to a quieter section of the street and a junction. But you can see every street here is so busy. Lots of leather goods here. Busy in that direction. Busy in this direction. The birds flying around there. Busy in that direction, heading down to the river. Just going to walk a little bit further along here, and then we're going to finish on this section of street. So you've got a good idea. There's lots of very popular restaurants on this section of street. Lots of leather tailors and things here. Leather goods. Tailor. We have gelato ice cream here. Some glasses in there, sunglasses, glasses. Just want to show you this shirt here. A beautiful, unique shirt, that one. Wow. There's still people on the street here. Lots of picture paintings in there. Very nice, that elephant. And ladies' clothes here. Ladies' pants, ladies' dresses, men's shirts. And there. Nice looking restaurant again here. Again, busy. Busy at the front here. Just have an upstairs seating area, no one's in there, everyone's sat down at the front here. And so you can get the price. This is like a table runner or pillowcase or something, 50,000. Into a little bit of an emptier section of street now. Still people mulling around, just a quieter section of the street. I think this is where we'll end tonight's video. I'll just go and take you across to this shop here. We'll have the Architects North Face and Pato, whatever you call it. It's the Architects, Nike, Architects, National Geographic, North Face. I don't know how you pronounce that. There's the brand. Shorts, coats, lots of different things in there. Another restaurant here. This is the restaurant I'm going to be actually eating in, Met Vietnamese restaurant. It's the most popular restaurant in the whole of this area. I've had to wait an hour to get a table. Nice, beautiful buildings. Lanterns again. There's lots of leather goods shops, clothing. Another restaurant here. Busy again inside of there. People sat up on the top there. I just want to show you these as well, from some ceramic unique bowls, cups here. It's like minions. Dog. Wow. Vietnam. More ceramics there. Very, very nice. And I think that's where we're going to end tonight's video. Got a good general idea of what's on the street here. This silver house here. And there we go. Wow.